This is the walkway to the beach. This comes right from the street next to Park Street. And people pay to park here. They got a little mini golf. And there's a building, I think I told you about that. It's like a restaurant during the summer. And they have car shows here at the beach. Picking it back up again. I paused it for a minute so you don't have to be bored with my walk. There's a nice boardwalk here and a nice sandy beach. Little pavilion over there. There's the building that they have food and some other things during the summer. Gotta pause. So at that building there's outdoor seating for the restaurant. There's an arcade. It's definitely a nice beach. It does get crowded in the summer though. People from all over the place come here. They have rides. Not a whole lot of rides, but it's like a carnival type of thing. So there's another restaurant up top with outdoor seating. Outdoor seating down below with picnic tables. It looks like there's like a beach shop. I haven't been down here in quite a while. Seats right here. It's a nice little park. There is a gym over here, Renegade Gym. I guess if you're a member, you probably get free parking, but there are seasonal passes you can buy to park in this huge parking lot. I believe they have music here during the summer on this stage. Hi. There's an ice cream shop here, and up top I'm not sure if that's a part of the restaurant. This is the gigantic parking lot they have here. I have no idea how many cars. So they have the Ferris wheel, a little Ferris wheel, and a carousel. And here's the gym, Renegade. Here's a bigger, broader part of the boardwalk. And this is steps away from Park Street. Looks like a bathhouse, I believe, even at the bottom. And then there's a bathhouse over at the pool, I think. Lifeguard station over here. Restrooms. Rules for the pool. There's the pool. Guess they're working on it, finishing it up, getting it ready for the summer. There's other part of the beach with a lot of volleyball nets. 1, 2, 3, 4, probably like 12 or some nets. So they do have a water slide, and here's the other part of the pool. What they do over here is they set up chairs around the pool, and there's benches. Go down to the other playground. Little sandy area for the kids. And up top side, there's another pavilion over here. I'll pause it so you don't have to be bored. Although, let me show you all the volleyball nets. Yeah, it looks like 12 or 14. Here's an extension of the playground on Sandy, monkey bars and swings. Okay, here we are approaching the other. It's a Rotary Club, New London Sentimental Pavilion from 1917 to 2017. Huh, I guess 100 years. All right. Another bathhouse, restrooms.